they snip very well.
Today, my husband and I are going to be looking at this crimping tool set. This set is designed for wire that is smaller than we expected. In this video, you'll see what's in the box. We'll demo it for you and give you our honest opinion. The seller did send these to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are our own.
It has a lock on here also, which is kind of nice. Okay, and it's got spring action on there. So you give a little squeeze, hit the lock. That's how those work. If you're not familiar with that, love the spring. You get different sizes on here for your gauge. Just like that. Now you got the crimpers here also next. You can lay them on the ground like this, and how this works, you gotta push up. Gotta push up on the lock. Or if you just give a squeeze, spring activated also. You got different sizes in there for different applications. You have a lot of different sizes and connections here. To help with your project, I would use this maybe for RC applications.
We had a very difficult time showing how he was doing this because the wire he was using was too large. So we wound up getting smaller gauge wire. It is important to note that this crimp tool set is designed for wire that is 20 gauge or thinner. Once you have stripped the wire, you're going to place the connection piece so that the bottom part wraps around the wire sheath and then the other crimp area wraps around the wire directly. This is what it should look like before you put it in the crimper tool. Both the stripping tool and the crimping tool have the gauges listed right on the tool. Place the wire into the desired slot and then go ahead and crimp the piece that is around the wire sheath. Then you're going to crimp the piece that goes around the wire. You can then add the attachment piece by pushing it onto the wire until it snaps into place. You should be able to tug on it and it will not come off. That piece can then be inserted into any connection piece, just like you see here.